Hello again. The third installment in my C++ tutorials. So by now you should know how to get variables, how to initiate variables, how to get a value into a variable, and how to set text on the screen, and how to use your variable in your text. Next, I'm going to teach you a few things. I'm going to teach you looping. So I'm going to show you two different kinds of loops that do the exact same thing in our case. Actually, they don't. So I'm just going to show you them anyway. But you'll see the difference. First, we're going to go while... Oh, yeah. This is the same code as the second tutorial. We're going to go while after the main function, and we're going to go age is not equal, that's the exclamation mark equal sign means not equal, to 666. Okay, and then down here, we're going to go end off that, and I'm just going to indent everything in a bit by clicking tab, just to make things look a bit better. And so right here, it's going to keep doing this loop, all of the stuff inside of the loop, until the age is equal to 666, because it's while it's not 666. So, if we test this, it should work properly. We go run here. Yes, we would like to build it. Continue. Okay, how old are you? 555. You're 5 years old. How old are you? 666. And voila. That's when it cancels out on us. So, a thing to make things a bit better is we can go at the end of this line here, slash, or backslash, I suppose. Yes. N. Sorry, I was thinking HTML. But you do that, and N, and then we'll do it twice. That's going to go down 2 lines. It's going to go next line, and it's going to start over. And in between each of these, we're going to go for. This is going to be another kind of loop. It's a for loop. Int I, we'll call it index or something. Int I equals 0. So it's going to start at 0. And it's going to go, and then we're going to say I is less than or equal to 50. Yes. So it's, actually, let's just go 9. So it's going to go until I equals 9, and it's going to go in increments of 1. So I plus plus means increment by 1. Then some squiggly brackets there. And we're going to go cout I. So now it's going to go input all the numbers from 0 to 9, because it starts at 0 and it goes until it reaches 9, until it's greater than or equal to 9, because, yeah. And it's going to do that between each of the things. Then we're going to, between each of the normal loops. And then in here, just after it, we're going to go cout, and then 2 more of those new lines, just to keep it all organized. So now, we should be able to test this out. How old are you? Well, I'm 123. Why is this not working? Oh, because I didn't debug it. So you don't want to click the arrow. You want to click this one. It says build and run. So then it's going to rebuild it every time you click on it. And I forgot about that. Sorry. I'm used to clicking buttons, but my hotkeys are mixed with the video recording, so it's kind of confusing. So I'm 123 years old. You are 123 years old, 0 to 9. So now you can kind of see what while loops are used for. So if I'm 556, it's not the same as 666. 665, not the same. But if you're 666, then it's going to exit for us. And that'll wrap up our third tutorial about basic loops. It's very basic, as you can see. We're only using like 18 lines here. And in my game engine, which we'll get to in a bit, quite a bit actually, once you learn quite a bit of C++, I'm going to be talking about my game engine a bit more. And I've got like quite a few thousands of lines of code. Like I think I'm at like 4,000 lines. So it gets pretty complex after a while. But we'll talk about organization and stuff later too, to help us keep our code organized. And comments is very important as well. So I'm going to click F8 here, or F9, sorry, and we're going to be done with this tutorial. Goodbye.